See, these are the model trains here. Old steam cars, like a lot of steamy. See here. This is a very nice place to hang out for. These are all the model trains here. Very very detailed. See here. It's got tunnels. Look, it's got freight trains. Oh yeah, it is. Nice. Like it is going through this tunnel. See, go right. You see, guys, see right through the tunnel there. This is in Ellicott City. Here in Ellicott City, Maryland. Here. Look at these models. Like the old buildings. It's what St. Dan's used to look like. See, let's zoom in on this. Looks like what the St. Dan's look like, right? So. See, they got like little animals right there. Wait, which one?
There's two trains. There's a meat.
Oh, they look like they're all battery. I think they're all battery trains.
Yeah, they're electric.
Yeah, so we got this. You got the glass. This is a really, here's the little model train in the video here. You see that like a river right here? It's got like the water right there, some water. I like it. It's got like little farms. You see the tunnel again. It's what the line used to be look like. This line. There's used to be a station too here.
Yeah, that's the Ellicott Mills station right there.
So you got more cars. Here's the trains. Here's some other. There's a wall of train of stuff on the wall.